There is a crisis in Zimbabwe that cannot be measured by inflation, elections, or GDP alone. It is quieter, more enduring. It is a crisis of confidence. Confidence is what drives people to invest, to build futures, to trust in institutions. When confidence collapses, a nation may function administratively, but it decays spiritually. Salapinda mashuko mdanyo kupangwa na chinzi General Valerio Swanda in Zimbabwe's crisis of confidence. Can leadership restore a nation's faith? We will subscribe or like out on the VOI content now. Pangwa ino mdanyo kwa mchinzi. Zimbabwe's mistrust runs deep. It is rooted in colonial surveillance, the liberation struggle, and the political culture that often equated dissent with betrayal. This culture has eroded trust in elections, in economic reforms, and public institutions. It is within this context where the General Valerio Swanda's appointment stands out, not because of symbolism, but because of his proven ability to lead large, dispersed groups. Reports consistently praise his ability to connect with soldiers, civil servants, and everyday people. His leadership is not merely academic, it is grounded, human-centered management of thousands. This stands in contrast to previous appointments that leaned solely on intellectual credentials or political balance. This is about leadership that can energize the base, the grassroots, and reconnect a fractured nation. One can only wish for a juxtaposition of Chiwenga's call to return to the following ideals with the professionalism of freshly minted politician of such a profound military background who had thousands under his command. Zimbabwe's crisis is not only political, it is moral. Many citizens feel abandoned, their efforts no longer rewarded. As a small oligarchy flaunts wealth, but this is where pragmatic leadership comes in, like Deng Xiaoping in China, who infused ideology with practical action, ensuring that a nation's growth was anchored in both values and results. Thoma developments are good pangwa ino achitauka pangwa ino twins aiwa pangwa ino munyika Zimbabwe mune crisis of confidence pangwa ino chinokuwa kunzi the stakes of power pangwa ino they are being threatened. Nakupa section medu za fundo ili motu kulipa msepe chitu ichi. Usawa subscribe or like channel on the bell icon.